Incredible natural phenomena that will leave you speechless. Imagine this: oceans that start glowing on their own in the middle of the night, or a thunderstorm that rages in almost the same spot every night. Our nature is simply the greatest artist and at the same time the craziest scientist there is. It creates spectacles that are so incredible, you might think they come from another world. But the crazy thing is, they are real and they happen right here on our planet. Come with us on a journey to 10 of the most breathtaking natural wonders that will blow your mind. We're counting down from 10 fascinating phenomena to the absolute, undisputed number 1. Definitely stick around, because our top pick still amazes scientists and is often called one of the 7 wonders of the modern world. Number 10, the Cross Sea. Kicking off at number 10 is a phenomenon so strange and rare it looks like a glitch in the Matrix, the Cross Sea. Imagine looking at the ocean, but instead of normal orderly waves, you see a perfect checkerboard pattern. Waves coming from 2 completely different directions, meeting right there. This bizarre sight happens when 2 far-off weather systems create waves that then travel hundreds of miles across the ocean, eventually crossing paths. But what looks like a work of art is actually a serious warning. These square waves are super dangerous for ships and even swimmers because the strong crossing currents under the surface are totally unpredictable. A fascinating but also scary sight that reminds us of the powerful forces hiding just beneath the water's surface. Place 9, the Fly Geyser. For place 9, we travel to the Nevada desert in the USA, to a wonder that proves the most beautiful things sometimes happen by accident. This is the Fly Geyser, a burst of colors that looks like a sculpture from another planet. But its story began with a human mistake. In 1964, a company drilled here for geothermal energy, but the borehole was never properly sealed. Hot, mineral-rich water shot up and, over decades, began to deposit. That's how these bizarre cones we see today grew. The bright colors, a mix of red, green, and orange, actually come from thermophilic algae. These are tiny living things that just love to hang out in extreme heat. The Fly Geyser is like a living piece of art that's always changing and growing. And it's perfect proof that nature can make something beautiful even out of our mistakes. Place 8, the Fairy Circles. Next up at number 8 is one of science's biggest puzzles, the fairy circles. Imagine a dry desert landscape in Namibia or Australia, dotted with thousands of perfectly round, bare patches, each one surrounded by a ring of tall grass. From above, it looks like giant polka dots on the Earth's skin. For decades, scientists have been scratching their heads about how they got there. One idea is that sand termites underground eat the grass roots, creating these bare circles. Another thought is that the plants themselves, in a fierce fight for the little water available, form these patterns to survive. Recent studies, which also include knowledge from the Aboriginal people, strongly suggest that termites are indeed the main cause. Whatever the final answer, the fairy circles remain a mysterious sight, reminding us that nature still has secrets just waiting for us to uncover. Spot 7, the glowing mushrooms. For spot number 7, things get a little spooky and beautiful at the same time. We're diving into the darkness of Australian forests to find a very special light. Here you'll find what are called ghost mushrooms, scientifically known as Omphalotus nidiformis. During the day, they look like ordinary plain mushrooms. But when night falls, the magic begins. Through bioluminescence, a chemical reaction inside them, they start to glow with an eerie neon green light. Researchers think they do this to attract nocturnal insects. These insects then help spread the mushroom's spores, making sure they can reproduce. Walking through a forest full of glowing ghost mushrooms feels like you've stepped right into a fairy tale. It's a powerful reminder that nature can create its own magical lighting. Place 6, the Rainbow Mountains. Our number 6 spot is a true work of art, looking like a giant spilled his paint box all over a whole mountain range. Welcome to Vinicunca, the Rainbow Mountains in Peru. These mountains are covered in stripes of red, yellow, green, and turquoise, so sharply defined, it's like someone painted them with a brush. This amazing coloring is the result of millions of years of rock, rich in all sorts of minerals. Iron oxide gives us the red tones, copper sulfide makes the blue, and iron sulfide brings out the yellow. Then, the shifting of the Earth's plates pushed these once flat layers straight up. Wind and weather then wore away the top layers, revealing this colorful show for us. Just a few years ago, the Rainbow Mountains were hidden under snow and ice, but climate change has uncovered them, making them one of the world's most popular, yet also most delicate, new natural wonders. Subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. If you like what you see and want to learn more about the wonders of our planet, then please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us keep making content like this for you. Place 5. The Sala de Uyuni. Halfway there. We're at place 5, and in a spot that just blurs the line between heaven and earth, the Sala de Uyuni in Bolivia. This is the biggest salt desert in the world, a seemingly endless, dazzling white stretch of salt that covers over 10,500 square kilometers. But the real magic only shows up during the rainy season. When a thin layer of water covers the salt crust, the Sala de Uyuni turns into the biggest natural mirror in the world. The sky is reflected so perfectly that it feels like you're walking right through the clouds. The horizon line completely disappears, and you're standing in the middle of a surreal, endless landscape. It's a place that challenges how you see things and creates photos that truly look like they're from a dream. Place 4. The Waitomo Glowworm Caves. For our 4th spot, we're heading underground to a place that proves the most beautiful stars aren't always in the sky. We're in the Waitomo Caves in New Zealand, home to thousands of tiny creatures called Arachnocampa luminosa, better known as New Zealand glowworms. When you quietly glide through these dark caves in a boat and look up, you don't see rock, but a glowing, starry sky. Each individual light is a glowworm larva, hanging from the ceiling and emitting a blue-green light to attract its prey. It's a quiet, absolutely magical sight that really makes you feel small and amazed. Sitting in the total darkness of the cave, surrounded by thousands of living stars, is an experience you'll never forget. A whole galaxy, right beneath our feet. 3rd place. The sea's glow. Bronze goes to a phenomenon that can light up entire oceans in a mystical glow. The sea's glow, also known as bioluminescence. You can find it in many places, but it's especially intense in Mosquito Bay in Puerto Rico. Here, you can experience firsthand how the water lights up in an electric blue with every tiny movement. This glow is made by tiny living things called dinoflagellates. When something bothers them, like a wave or a fish, they let out a quick flash of light. In Mosquito Bay, there are so many of these tiny creatures that it's been officially named the brightest bioluminescent bay in the world by the Guinness Book of World Records. But this amazing sight is global. Just recently, NASA satellites found huge glowing plankton blooms off the coast of Australia, so big you could see them from space. Sailing through these waters feels like swimming in liquid stars. Every movement leaves a glowing trail, a magical sight that shows the ocean is full of hidden lights. 2nd place, the Catatumbo. Lightning. Our silver medal goes to a thunderstorm that seems to never end, the Catatumbo lightning in Venezuela. Here, where the Catatumbo River meets Lake Maracaibo, an almost constant thunderstorm rages for up to 260 nights a year. For up to 10 hours each night, thousands of lightning bolts flash across the sky. This phenomenon is so dependable that sailors once used it as a natural lighthouse. The reason for it is a special mix of the landscape and the way the winds blow. Cold winds from the Andes Mountains meet the warm, moist air over the lake. This makes the air very unstable, constantly causing huge thunderstorms. The sheer number and how often lightning strikes here are totally unique in the world, creating a show that's both beautiful and a little scary. Place 1, the Aurora Borealis. And here it is, our undisputed number 1, probably the most spectacular and emotional natural phenomenon of all. The Aurora Borealis, better known as the Northern Lights. In the cold, clear nights of the polar regions, the sky suddenly starts to dance. Green, pink, violet and blue veils of light move like giant curtains in the wind across the heavens. This celestial ballet happens when electrically charged particles from the solar wind hit our Earth's magnetic field and collide with gases in the upper atmosphere. It's a cosmic light show of unimaginable size and beauty. For many people lucky enough to see the aurora, it's a deeply spiritual experience. The absolute silence of the Arctic night, broken only by the faint crackle of the lights, and the sight of this unearthly spectacle truly leave everyone speechless. It's the ultimate reminder of how beautiful and powerful our universe is. A quick look back at these amazing natural sights. From glowing oceans to mysterious desert circles and even dancing lights in the sky, our planet is full of wonders that are more amazing than we can even imagine. Each of these sights reminds us that there's still so much to explore and protect out there. Which of these natural wonders amazed you the most, and which one would you most like to see with your own eyes? Let us know in the comments below. We're really excited to hear what you think. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our next trips to the wonders of this world. Until next time, and stay curious.